Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how to apply false lashes. I'm going to apply a lash band, so this is not about individual lashes, it's about how to apply a lash band. A lot of people ask me how to apply false lashes because they tried and they messed up and it's just really hard. Although applying lashes is actually not hard at all. You just need to know the steps. You need to know the steps and the rules that you have to follow, and then you need to practice a few times and it will be so easy for you. I just want to tell you, lashes make a huge difference. Lashes just give you that extra beautiful look with your eyes. Your eyes look more open. It just makes every makeup look even nicer. Especially if you have a smoky eye or something that's really heavy on your eye, your natural lashes are almost not visible anymore. So if you apply lashes, you still have long, wonderful, beautiful lashes that just complete your look. So if you want to know how to apply false lashes, please keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to apply a coat of mascara. If your lashes are really straight, like they just go out straight, no curl at all, you might want to use a lash curler first because the lashes they have a curl, they're not straight out, and so you kind of want to adjust it already. So my lashes curl up when I use mascara, so I'm just going to apply a coat of mascara. I'm using the Maybelline New York Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara. So, and I'm just going to apply one coat of mascara, not a lot like I would usually do if I just wore mascara, just one coat. Just from the roots all the way till the ends. And then I also apply a layer on my bottom lashes. So now I'm going to take my lashes. Today I'm using the Salon Perfect Demi Wispies. They look like this. Okay, so what you want to do is you take one of the lashes, you kind of get the end loose with a tweezer, and then you can, like, either with the tweezer or with your finger just peel that off. Sometimes the lashes have like a lot of that, like it's kind of transparent glue that makes it hold to the packaging. If there's a lot, you want to remove that before you start, but just try to be very gentle. So most of the lash bands are too big for your actual eye, and that's why a lot of people have problems with applying lashes because they don't know that they have to trim them. And then of course it's like way too far in here. It's longer than when your eye already ends, so it's like sticking on your skin on the outside here. So you're going to use your tweezers. Take your lash with the tweezer, and then you're going to put it on your eye where you want it to sit. So I usually never start here right in the beginning. I start like 1 or 2 hair after my natural lashes start to grow. It feels better on my eye and it looks more natural. So I leave like 1 or 2 hair out after they begin to grow, and that's where I want to start to apply the lash. So I'm putting that lash on my lash band and see where it ends. So this one is just a little tiny bit too long for me. So I'm going to take it off. Now you want to maybe hold it with your fingers just so that you have a good grip. So then I'm just going to take a small nail scissor. I'll go in and I just trim off the tiny bit that's too long for me. Sometimes it's a lot, sometimes it's not a lot. It depends on the lashes you buy. And then I put them on again. Yeah, And this should be the perfect size for me. One important thing by trimming the lash band is you will see on your lash band, it's kind of like the way that they're attached to the lash band is like kind of like groups of hair, and you don't want to cut in the middle of that. You want to cut a whole group off, except it's too much. And you rather cut 2 or 3 times and just go a little bit if you're not sure, than cutting off too much and messing up your lash band. So next we're going to apply glue. For glue, I am using the Duo glue. It's the transparent one, or it's called white clear. There is a black one too, but I like that one more. It's white when you apply it, but when it's fully dry, it's transparent. You can't see it at all. So this is my absolute favorite glue. Most of the lash packs, they come with a glue, but for me that glue almost never works. I don't know why, I just don't like the glues at all, so I always use that glue. I'll apply some glue to the lash band, and I apply around as much as thick as the lash band is. If the lash band's a little thicker, you need a little more glue than if it's like really thin. So I'm just going, I always bring the product out of the tube and then still press it, because if you press while you're on this and all of a sudden there's a lot of glue coming out, your whole lash is messed up. So I get it out first and then apply it. And you want to have a little more on the corners than on the rest of the lash band. This is how much glue I applied on that lash band. I hope you can see that good. So lash glues always say that you have to let it dry before you apply it, and this one says to wait 30 seconds. I sometimes wait even longer than 30 seconds. The glue has to get tacky, because when the glue is still wet and you put it on, I don't know if you ever tried that, but you put it on and you secure it in the middle, and then on the outside you go to the inside, and when you go to the inside the end comes right back off. That is because the glue is not tacky enough, and so it doesn't glue right away. It's just too liquidy and it comes right back off. So really wait those 30 seconds until the glue is tacky. And you can test that if you want with your finger, but if you wait, like I always wait, I think around 45 seconds to a minute, then you can be sure that the glue is tacky already. My lash band is ready. The glue is all the way dry. Let me come a little closer. So how I like to do this now is I'm taking the lash and I'm going to put it on first in the middle. Then I take the outside. Oh, it already comes off a little bit. And then the inner corner. And you just place it on your lash band so that it touches your lashes and the skin right over your lashes. And the lash is on. So now we do just exactly the same steps on the other side. Then I usually wait until it dries a little bit, and then I'm going to take those 2 fingers, make sure that your fingers are clean, and then I'm just going to press the fake lash together with my own lashes and make sure that the roots and the lash band are right connected and that the lash band is all the way back. Then as last step, what I like to do is I'm going to take my mascara again, and then I'm just going to apply a small coat on my lashes that it kind of connects the false. I just kind of feel like it connects kind of the false lashes and the natural lashes a little bit more. And that's it. That's how you apply false lashes. It's like everything. You just need to practice it, and then it won't be any problem for you, but you need to practice, as I'll tell you in all of my videos. So lashes just make a huge difference for your makeup. If you just want that little extra glam, you want to make sure you apply lashes. So there's so many lashes out there. There's very natural ones, very dramatic ones in the middle. You can find the perfect lash for you for sure. So just make sure to follow the steps, which is really important. So first, you want to make sure you trim the lash band to the size that you need. Second, apply the glue and wait until the glue is tacky. Then apply the lash, make sure it sits on the right points, press it together to combine the lash band with your natural lashes, and you should be good. One thing that is important is your tweezers need to be clean. If you apply your lashes and your tweezers have any glue on the ends, it's just going to rip your lash right back off after you open it to make it stay. So make sure they are clean. Make sure your fingers are clean when you press your lashes together. Try to apply another coat of mascara like I just did, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. I hope this will help you, and I hope you can apply lashes at home after watching this video. You could also just let the video play, pause it all the time, and then just go step by step. So thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I see you next time. Bye.